When I heard this solution that the government make with the Hamas, I feel so disappointed because I don't know if my Gali will be with this list that will go home, and I want her as soon as possible.
Any person will be released is good, is important. Eventually we need them all. But if it's had to be slice by slice, so be it. The best thing is that everybody will be released at the same time. But as I said, some can stay in that situation for a bit longer, and some will not be able to hold on. So we have to start doing the deals and get them back to us.
We ask release the children and the women at once, okay? It's impossible to bargain with children, okay? No food, no gasoline, no solar, nothing, okay? Children and women must be released immediately.